Maureen, how do you know that a lead is hot?
What, without seeing him in person?
Hey you, yes, you. Today is your day.
No, I know what you mean. I like the analogy of, with someone back in the dating days, if they think you were hot, they used to actually chase you, pursue you. And I'm
not boxing, I'm running.
Yeah, just in case you didn't get that. So I think it's a bit the same.
Yeah.
So if people are really hot and they pursue you and they're really direct and they will contact you, they might say, can you call me, and give a phone number. They don't beat around the bush. They don't say, oh, how much is it, and can you send me a brochure, and all that sort of stuff. So if someone is on LinkedIn, they say, I'm interested in talking, here's my phone number, or they book in a time really, and directly and make it happen, then I think they're really good signs that they're hot.
Yeah.
Or if they ring you, they found your number, they ring you and they want you to ring them back, I usually do it as quickly as possible.
Yeah, so I got one the other day. They called Maureen's phone. They messaged me on LinkedIn saying, I called, no one answered. And then
He wanted...
And then I'm like I was in meetings and our team member sent it through, and I just said, I'm going to call him at 2. Could you let him know? And so called him at 2. He was like, yes, baby, get me a VA.
Did he say yes, baby?
No, but that was in my head.
You know what? There's a lot in her head.